Hello and welcome back to Crazy for Health with me Megha. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very healthy tea time snack that is known as multi-millet vadas. This vada is extremely easy to make, and if you have a habit of munching something all the time, I think this can be a perfect snack for you. So if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you stay updated with all of my recipes. Now without any further delay, let's quickly check out the recipe. First, in a grinder, take whole bajra, jowar. You can also add ragi, and now grind them into a fine powder. If you have jowar and bajra flour, that is perfectly fine. Now take them out in a bowl, add besan, plain curd, now add chopped methi leaves, dry roasted flax seeds powder, a little turmeric powder, salt to taste, Kalonji, that is black sesame, ginger garlic paste, and now I'm going to add finely chopped green chilies. So green chilies are as per your choice, so you can add more or add less as per your taste. Finally, I'm going to add a small teaspoon of oil. And now with the help of our hands, we need to make a smooth dough out of it. So I'm not going to add any extra water since the methi has its own water and the curd along will help making the dough. But if still the dough looks like a bit firm, you may add a little bit of water. The dough is a little bit dry. I'm going to add just a little water and make a smooth dough. The mixture is now ready. Now in a pan, I'm going to heat a teaspoon of ghee. Next, take a small portion of the mixture, flatten them with the help of your hands, just like a vada, and roast them on a medium flame for around 5 to 8 minutes. You may choose to fry the vadas, but I prefer roasting them since it becomes a little bit healthier in that way. This mixture will make around 16 to 17 vadas. After 2 minutes, flip over and we'll keep cooking them till they become golden brown in color. Now cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The vadas have become brownish in color from one side, so we're gonna cook from the other side as well. As you can see, they look crispy and all cooked. So I'm going to take them out now in a plate and get my hands ready with the second lot of vadas. These vadas are a perfect snack option For the Weight Watchers, or feel like having something really different from your regular biscuits. So my next batch is also done. Now we're going to take all of them out. The varas look beautiful and they're crispy. Now in a platter, I'm placing the varas. I have coriander and mint chutney by the side. Now it's ready to be served. And the crispy varas are ready. Enjoy them with green chutney. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section if you found it delicious, and in case of any feedback, do comment.